Well, hello and welcome back to another vlog here today. Today I'm at a brand new water park here in Santa Claus, Indiana. I'm at Splashin Safari here at Holiday World, and I'm super excited because they have some beast of some water coasters here that we're about to embark on. And I'm going to show you around the park, but not on the water coasters because they're so intense, but yeah, we're gonna do them nonetheless, and I'm gonna share my thoughts throughout this whole experience. Super hyped for this. With that being said, let's go have ourselves an adventure. I just want to say, look at this paradise right here with this beautiful wave pool. It's so majestic. It's just about golden hour right now at the water park. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. Bear, are you ready?
I am ready for Mammoth.
Ready. Mammoth starting it off strong.
Let's get it.
Yeah, and then I guess Wildebeest, and then Cheetah Chase. I almost said Hunt. Cheetah Hunt, but Cheetah Chase. Yeah, let's get it. Have ourselves a good time on these water coasters and more. The one super crazy thing about this wave pool as the wave just started, which I will embark on a little bit later possibly, just trying to really get these water coasters in, but you can go all the way up there, which is nuts, which is absolutely insane. Yeah, I'm super hyped for that, but that's a little bit later. Let's get what we really came here for first. Straight ahead between everyone. Mammoth is right there, Wildebeest over there, and Cheetah Chase over there. Jump starting. Super hyped, super ready.
Hey!
Yes. Let's get it. It's gonna be an amazing time. Yes.
I'm excited.
Yes, a little water park ERT action.
ART! When
Yes,
you
sir.
going to man?
Yes,
when
sir.
does that happen?
Yeah, I know, right? It's gonna be epic. The rustle and bustle of the nature, kind of like Six Flags Whitewater a little bit, but yeah, going through the forest here to get to Mammoth, and I don't know. By the way, these will be my first set of water coasters ever, and I'm bringing all for you and with you. Not on the ride once again, but we're here. Yeah, I'm thrilled. This ERT action, just multiple rides. Oh my goodness, super hype nonetheless. Let's get on it, get in the queue, and see what we can do. Oh boy. Okay, my goodness, just got absolutely soaked. Injured, like, we didn't know what was happening.
It was dark.
It was dark.
It was amazing though, it was amazing.
It was absolutely amazing. A complete soaker, first water coaster, period. It was insane, my goodness, like it just kept going, but a completely soaked, like, period. So, yeah, my goodness, but yes, about to get on Cheetah Chase now, and then Wildebeest, but wow, that was a winner. So as mentioned, Cheetah Chase up next. It's their newest one here to Splashin Safari, which I followed this whole thing. I know, I love water parks, but yeah, followed this, wanted to get out here for it, but I'm here now. So yeah, about to get on Cheetah Chase as mentioned. Got my hat back on for the time being. Oh my goodness, this park is epic. That water coaster is epic. 3 water coasters, 2 more to go. Oh man, super hyped. ERT here for Hollywood Nights here at Splashin Safari here at Holiday World. Second to none so far. And there she blows right here. This orange beast, this water coaster. Super traditional. As mentioned, there were 5 of us on the raft with that water coaster of Mammoth, but yeah, this one has the normal like tubes. Yeah, it's super crazy, but I'm used to seeing more so of these, but I don't know. I'm not a big water coaster expert, but soon I will be, believe you me. But nonetheless, just talking here, and oh my goodness, Voyage there too. It's gonna be on and popping, but yes. Oh, this boost right here, it's on. Yes, Cheetah Chase, beautiful signage. Yeah, about to get on this. Station waits. Look how soaked I'm about to get right now. This is the finish line. Soaker right there. All of these, from what I hear, are complete soakers. I'm not ready, you're not ready, but we're just gonna man it up and just do it. It's happening. These are what the rafts look like that I was referring to. This is what I'm used to seeing, but yeah, nonetheless, it's about to happen in a few moments. Look at this. As they just shot on up. Look at this layout right here. Gonna go through navigating through this thing. I cannot wait to share my experience with you on how it's going to be. All this right here behind me in a few moments. I'm super hyped to experience it. Like I said, their newest water coaster as they're going on through. Yeah. so nuts right there. Woo! That'll be us soon. One of the super cool things here with this is that they race. They race each other, which is super cool to see. Completely nuts, a complete soaker, like, all right, watch this, this is absolutely crazy. It's almost like, I was in the back, it's almost as if somebody had like a bucket of water and just kept splashing you. You get soaked. Watch this. Here, all right, and they're off, and then it's just over, and it just goes through the course. But wow, that's an absolute soaker. Oh man. All right, definitely the whole experience with Mammoth was a complete soaker. I take that one over this one. This one's newer, but I take that one. Losing my voice from all the screaming all day. But yeah, that was a win too, and we won. So yeah, that was good. But really did like Cheetah Chase. And to close this out, we have one more. We have Wildebeest of the water coasters, and it's almost nighttime, so we're about to call it a night, a day, whatever, what have you, here at this, and oh, I'm ready for this. But yeah, they say Mammoth and Wildebeest 1 and 2 of the 3. We'll see here in a moment. So with this, as mentioned, this is ERT for Hollywood Nights for the water park portion, and yeah, so just getting this, gonna have to come back another time to do the full water park experience, including a full wave pool action along with the lazy river. Well, sad news. For now, I guess I'm going to have to come back possibly tomorrow at the time of recording, because Wildebeest is currently closed. But yeah, gonna have to finish this off a little bit later, but had fun nonetheless with those 2 water coasters. Glad I got 2 of the 3. But wow, seriously top notch and epic. We are back again for day 2, and Wildebeest is indeed open. We're about to get on Wildebeest along with enjoying the rest of the water park. It is fully open. It is a Saturday. Getting on it right here, right now. Yeah, day 2. Getting on Wildebeest. See you when we get off. goodness, just got off a wildebeest, and that one flies straight up airtime, was tremendous. We flew with all 4 of us on there, but still, of the 3 water coasters, Mammoth is my #1 here. So right now we're headed to the left side of the park. You got the kiddie splash area over here. This big funnel one that is not open. I think that's Zimbabwe, but it's not open. But we're headed over here to see what is on this side of the left side of the water park, but we're gonna see. But everything here is really exceptional. There's a lot of great slides, but yeah, gonna see which one we're gonna get on next. So it appears we're about to do Jungle Racer next. These are always good fun, but I'm gonna see if I'm gonna win and beat everybody in my party. But yeah, Jungle Racer, I believe, coming up next. So Matt is acquired, headed over here to Jungle Racers, the top of it, hiking on up. Hopefully I get the victory, but we'll see in a moment when we get up there. But nonetheless, having a great time here on this beautiful 96 degree, 92 degree weather, something, it's hot. Just got off of the Matt Racer slide, and I won. I came in first, of course, but they did good. They were good competitors. Mike came in second, airtime Mike. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. That one's really, really tall though. But got a huge pop of airtime close to the end onto the onto the finish line. But it was really, really good. I guess we're gonna go around here to one of these and then keep on moving. It's not the biggest water park whatsoever, but it's effective. Or Torongo. All right, going on up. Oh, sorry. Lift it up. We're going on up these stairs. Always gonna be a hike moving on up. But yeah, we're gonna go down, have a great time. All these are new for me, so I'm ready for the challenge, the adventure. Going on up, waiting. Mike is going up next, and then there's 2 sides, by the way. Then we're gonna go up next. It's gonna be quite thrilling. Just got off of wildebeest. Mammoth was closed. Just got off of wildebeest again. That thing has serious airtime. Once again, that last slide I went on was killer too. Short, sweet, simple, but effective. So yeah, time to go. Water park closing on up. But yet again, this water park is top notch. I see why it's highly ranked out there in the world, if not #1. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today here at Splashin Safari. Over the course of 2 days, had a lot of fun on those water coasters. They were highly intense. My first time going on water coasters, did multiple rides over and over, but had a lot of fun. All the slides, all the customer service, team members were top notch, A1. That goes along with Holiday World as a whole. So this park was amazing, exceptional. Again, water coasters were phenomenal. #1 was Mammoth, then Wildebeest, then Cheetah Chase. Absolutely phenomenal. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Leave the video a big thumbs up. Till my next video and or adventure. Take care, be well, and have a thrilling day.